Hi, David.
Hello, Mr. Alan.
Thank you so much for coming today. Because last time, not long ago, Kenyan Castle just come back, so I'm happy to see you again today. It's been only a short time to see our laser cutting machine and samples cutting and the software operation. Even from the airport to here, only 3 hours around. How do you think about this laser cutting machine factory, and how are you impressed by our company? Can you give a brief introduction or feelings yourself as a reference for our future Kenya customers?
Thank you, Mr. Alan, for inviting me and allowing me to come to visit your company. And the first time I learned about the DXTECH company is through the YouTube. I was able to get inside there and learn more about it. Then I was able to contact you guys, and you have been following up. It is my first time to come here to this company, and the way you have invited me and your technician here who have explained to me how the machines are working. Actually, I'm very much really interested. I've learned more. This is not what I expected, but I have learned more, and I'm more willing now, more than willing, to buy this machine, to take it to our country, so that you have an entry. If it is use me to get the entry market in Kenya or East Africa, it's a big market. I can be the contact person, whereby you can be directing customers from Kenya, East Africa, to come and view how the machine is working in my place. I will be very much willing to cooperate with you guys. Thank you.
Okay. Also, I have learned that you told me that you do a lot of business, not only for this new starting business, but also in the past for construction and hardware sellings, and also farming business activities. I see you have been a long time as a businessman and with a lot of business experience in Kenya and Africa. So I think you must have a lot of people and business relationship in Kenya and even nearby countries. I would like, if possible, you can recommend us some potential custom, not only for the laser cutting machine, but also for the bending machine and the welding machine. How do you think about this suggestion?
That will be very much welcome. I would say that I'll be of much help, because in my field, in the construction industry that where I am also, we deal very much with steel works, cutting, welding, and I think I'll be of much help. I can be able to use my network to be able to do marketing for you guys for much more other machines, not necessarily like laser cutting machine, even for the welding, for the bending machines, and I'll be of much help, and I'm much willing to assist you in that field.
Okay. Also, from my brief introduction about the machine operation and software, like back to origin, calibration, edge finding, parameter conforming, and frame out, and cutting. Also about this all kinds of external equipment and the components. Do you think this kind of CNC laser cutting machine is easy to operate, and by definition, it's easy to learn by the new customers?
Actually, from my experience and exposure in these kind of machines, I can see a totally shift from what we know back in Kenya. Especially what we have in Kenya, those hydraulic bending machines are those which have old technologies. Yeah. We are modernizing things, and the equipment and the machines are modernizing day by day. So if we get such machines which are easy to operate, quick to run, easy to fix, not so much complicated. So this will be of much help to back home.
Okay. Because Kenya is the eastern part, also is much closer to the center of Africa.
Yeah.
So I think in the future we do have a lot of potential to cooperate. I hope that we can close as many deals as possible in the foreseeable future. Okay.
Looking forward to that.
Thank you so much, David.
Yeah.
I wish you all the best.
Most welcome, sir.